Hey guys, today we're going to look at how you can make money online by writing for other business owners and other bloggers on a consistent basis. So check it out in the video and I'll see you in there. So I wanted to show you this website that's called Text Broker, where you can write blogs for other people, bloggers or business owners. And what you got to do is go into textbroker.com and then go into write content. You can of course also, if you are a blogger and you want others to write for you, you can of course go in here and ask others to write for you. But in this case, we're going to look at payment. And we're going to go down and we're going to have a look at the different options here, where you can depending on your level of writing, you have 0.7 cents per word, 1 cent, 1.4, 5 cents. So if you're a really good writer, you can get 5 cents per word and you can kind of work your way up. Let's go down here and actually look at how much you can make in one day. And if you would do more of a pillar post, 2,000, for example, could be up to 3,000 words. So that's $100 per blog post that you write if you're a really good writer. And if you write two of them, I think you can write two of them per day. I would say you could write one of these in about 1 hour with the research and having a good system that you can work with. I'm going to go through that as well in another video, how you can write a blog really quickly and in a very good way of just executing on the different blogs. So here's $100 per blog, and if you can write two of those, that's $200 a day. Now, I want to show you one thing right away, actually, on how you can write your blogs in a quicker way. Of course, there's a model on how you can do this as well, and I'm going to go through that in another video. But to start off, I wanted to give one tip that's been extremely useful for me, and this is the way I write my blogs, is I go in under Tools in Google Docs, and you go into voice typing. Of course, other types of, if it's a Microsoft Word or whatever it might be, they might have this kind of functionality. What I've found working the best with voice recognition is Google Docs. So I'll just click here, and it actually starts writing right now. Well, let's actually write the blog post out. So I'm going to delete this. Creating an income online is something that seems impossible. This is especially true if you don't know that much about to start with, period. Though, it can be easier than you might imagine, period. If you have the will to make an income online, period, this article will help you make an income online, period. Does it seem off like a big hassle to create your own blog right now? Though, though you still enjoy to write and at the same time make money doing it, creating articles for already existing blogs, period. There's so many blogs out there that are willing to pay others writing for them, period. With a bit of research and some initiative, you can set up an account with one of these writer sites and start making an income online, right away, period. Think about the things you're already doing today and consider how you can use those skills by writing blogs for others online, period. The best way I have found to build a business online is to start doing something that you enjoy. Yeah, you get the picture. And you can keep going like this. You can go again, and we can write a lot more to this article than we already have in here period. And you can, in this way, write a blog article super quickly and do that and post it to any of these services like Text Broker, and you can get up to $100 per article if it's a 200-word article or blog post. Great. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and this is one way where you can really make a living online and starting out here and then building more sort of passive income streams or more efficient ways of income, but using your skills to be able to make an income online. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this tips and tricks, and if you've used it in the past or it was sort of an aha moment for you opening up new opportunities of making an income online. All right, I'll see you in the next video.